Yama Obibira Kaba the Bakuma top trending stories so one name say Queen AJ Minyata say Anaya and Sama A Chaguye it was social media and then Nemaboa Buana Amede a Baba Sumo way a fresh one a month for Bibre and the Abato to a Bibre na Kaka Hon Sim Bibre and then Sama Ababeto Cecilie and it say a Kensak idea do na the friend on a Kensak Sarkodie. Yeah, Michael Owusu Ado. Michael Owusu Ado Sarkodie and wasem and a making Sarkodie a virtual concert a Sunday no and once and same day be pre a once say Stonebwoy call her or ne Angelo Nyakasa Kasabi the manager Sarkodie manager ma blow to be na ebibem ehun sem de say bede bebree Canada we Canada enum na Sarkodie aba out eba bechi ma cha hwefo nyina sem yam pasa akasa bi yeden so na emum de ha ne kese ne say Stonebwoy tene ne nsa ebo Angelo because ono ni mu no onye sure say be Stonebwoy free buy no onante sa kwantenti anase o drive sa kwantenti ne ba say Obaba be saying the program on himself before na yede e by na emum de ha ne kese wom ne say Stonebwoy entimi ankra na koma na ma no to ne nsa eno ne ade woma ha Sarkodie ye pa o say ha no ka say ahana na tro enti no why very disappointed in Stonebwoy say o man bu fubro so eto ne nsa na ne nyina mu no it was all peace na che say asumje na omu nyina no omu hia because omu di ye atutu ye kama yenko ne yenko hwe video no abra Sarkodie kan sema course of virtual concert day no ase.
Everyone has the right to be mad or angry, but no one has the right to assault. And this is where it brings me back to how we manage our emotions and reactions. Situations like what happened that led to the unfortunate incident is not new. I'm not to say that it's okay, but I think my brother should know this. And that's if that's what actually happened. I'm not here to talk about what happened that led to it. If that's what they want to talk about, they can talk about that as well. My main reason, for doing this, or what got me upset, was the fact that he chose to go physical with the situation. I don't think my brother came from wherever he came from to destroy my show. We've had great relationship over the years, and not because he's not necessarily because he's like the best person I've come across, but I built a mechanism to be able to deal with people regardless how they react, because there's always a bigger picture. And if you want to confirm that, watch everyone around me. I mean, my team. You can take it from Angelo, from Black to Duncan, Mensa, even my wife. These are people that I know from day one, and it's not because they are like the perfect people, but everyone has flaws, even myself. All I have to know is that one is not evil, and as a leader you need to have a way to keep people together. Sometimes you have to be the coach and not necessarily be one of the players. There's been several incidents where I felt disrespected by organizers, media personnel, and my own colleagues sometimes, but I always control my reaction due to the bigger picture, and that doesn't make me soft or weak. That actually is the strongest thing anyone could do. My brother has every right to be mad. He could have chosen to insult Angelo, even myself, scream, or just even move his car and go. And trust me, he knows I would definitely call him and even apologize. Not because I have to, but I never want bad blood, and I think it's unnecessary. This time I didn't take that route because my brother went overboard, and to me, it's the highest level of disrespect no matter what happened, because I've been at his concert and he has no idea how I get there or what I go through to get on that stage, because I understand the job, and I know there's no way Stonebwoy and his management would have ever wanted to disrespect me intentionally. So the long and short of the story is that yes, my brother did hit my manager, and I'm here to confirm and condemn the act and let him know that I'm extremely disappointed knowing how he is with Angelo. On a lighter note, for those saying how could Angelo allow Stone hit him and go free, again, as I said, you can't control how people react, but you can control yours. And honestly, what do you people think would have been the situation if he retaliated?
Yes, I'm some of the about the trending stories, so it will come out TV. So, Yakoti and Sama, yes, Sarkodie, a canny be brave, watch it and something be brave say, or no dear car, how be a name, says Stonebwoy will be full. Obia one can ya say, Nibu be full, but will fua. The will be controlling with temper no and a ya in here, and more boom for bro so my own tenants and ya dear. Of us, how can ya way so the two up and coming for now, or more basuning I see me chair underground for nothing or more page almost super so my young to and say, open so ye, Jumano, ye cool, and now we quite ye dear, and ye crow a coma. hwe de we a obufu a obetimi ahye wo ho so ye ema bomfu embro so de two up and coming for ni nyina fo we enyina etwagu abrakwa Sarkodie call live ye sa press release no emu ana baba we be a friend Aisha dani de nyina obo Stonebwoy ejiye oye Beam Nation fan kese pa ye enso ba out de nsensem bi bebre betutu ya se Sarkodie ye otrofo ankasa Sarkodie enka no kre ntronko no ba out obede obekan de Sarkodie ye wo that day no ye Stonebwoy that day na ade ono be kan say disrespectful edi ntina was so disrespect Stonebwoy say Stonebwoy abana Sarkodie be ka say Stonebwoy be kwa wonko emfa no ntem be brain na Aisha kan o kan we no de be chat to say enye Stonebwoy na hwa no ntigana fo njai say ye ka say Stonebwoy amanis ka say ombra out emeke kansem back na say Stonebwoy na etua ne kamane na Stonebwoy de ontimi ntua ne ka say ni sika wo enkrofo show mo no Stonebwoy akesika no kra embe ni baby na ya beka say Stonebwoy na etua ne ka Aisha ka ensem bebre na de eye me wanwan ewom ne say Aisha bu futra so to the sense say otimi bie na no kra di atama bi kan Sarkodie emame eho de Aisha ya ka say wo yo ba krawa no ebufuo ne de beba because who di atama me bi akoka maame a ono ote ne ba bi a asema mo ka no krampo no onim ho hwe eho de Aisha eho de wanya de o bad asema no pese odi tudwa ne sense e ma course wo sa virtual concert na so no obi ani hobi obi anim de course nti Sarkodie ka ne dia on kan na Sarkodie na ye at fault enye Stonebwoy we ene sem ahodo pi ena etwago social media de etimi boabo ano ayede ebromo kuma trending stories so ni me amedi chwe de ebromo din ene Queen AJ Hips me mo ko YouTube ye videos nyina ego like and subscribe to our YouTube channels nyina ma ye uwia no will leave your comments out to de opese ye bia na ye be ye e de amakama yakra mo